Hi, this is Vicki from Mountain Valley Natural Living. I'm just letting y'all know that we are going to be having some fun little projects coming up. I am going to be making with you some ceviche, my way. There's many ways to do it, but in the hot summer months, when it's 200 degrees outside, we like cool little snacks, and ceviche is one of them. We have about 50 tomatoes that are over here. That's Stephen. We have a lot of tomatoes here that we need to use, and we have a little bit of bell pepper. We have some onions here. We have garlic. We have mango. We have avocado. We have a lot of items that we need to use. So we're gonna make some fun little snack items. I'm gonna make salsa. I've got cilantro out in the garden. So just letting you know. Oh, there's another thing I wanted to tell you about too that I'm pretty excited about. I have all of these right here. This is right here. Herbs that I found in town that are all organic. I have actually frankincense. This is the resin called frankincense. This is the resin called myrrh. I'm going to infuse these in different oils the correct way, and it takes probably a week or two unless you heat it up. But I also have butterfly pea flower. I have mugwort. I have wormwood. I have stinging nettle. I have elderflower, not the same as elderberry, but the same properties. Wonderful for your skin, and for the winter time, it's very good for like anti-inflammatory. It's got properties for colds and flu and sinus and things like that. And this is rose hips, which is absolutely wonderful for your skin. And we're gonna get into it and see